Okay, I'm awake now.
Oh, we ain't Brandon. Oh. We don't claim him. Oh. I love Honda so much.
Yeah, you can get out of the car, you know. Type. Oh, go ahead, brother.
Got the Type K. Is that what it is? The Type K.
Yeah, we're in the prefecture. We're driving around.
Is that how it is?
Oh yeah, we in Japan now, baby.
Riverside Drive.
Oh, damn, I fucking shoot. Oh, shoot.
Yeah, this one I added recently, or like
Got a cruise going on.
Mini
Mini
photos,
cruise.
bro.
I didn't tell you guys, but we're on a little cruise right now with a bunch of the homies. I was gonna have my GoPro on, but I don't have my GoPro, so rip. But we just got the camera, so you guys aren't probably gonna get too much of the actual cruise itself. Oh, we'll have some fun. I'm with the boys today. We outside with it, so we're gonna have some fun with it. Damn. Josh, you got a little friend, Josh? What is that? Brain managers? What is that?
It's a new species, bro.
I know, look at it, come on, fucking canyon, see some new shit. Oh, how'd you guys get split up? Dude, I'm like trying to walk to you guys, but my fucking feet are taking me that way. I said, how the fuck did you guys get split up? Oh, you're gonna go ham ski?
Cut that out, cut that out.
Oh.
That's illegal, man.
Oh.
We're gonna go redacted.
You're gonna get litty?
I just want to check up on everyone. Oh, yeah, for sure if you want to go a little first.
Looking for ABGs or what?
Oh yeah, we're always looking for ABGs.
Oh, shit. Hey, yo.
You already know.
Hey, yo. Kenneth, put your muscles out.
I want an ABG?
Let me see your muscles.
Stop.
Oh, the fucking fly.
I do ABG.
You right.
He is the ABG.
I do for you.
I do for you.
Oh, is it? Yeah, NSA knows already. They're on the way. So it's only set for 15s? Hey, yo.
Most people that operate, they only run
That's a
15s
dice.
on these. I see. Factories are 14.
I want a bike. Oh, a bike? I'm trying to get a bike.
There's one really light.
You had to put us in the fucking bumpiest road, huh? What the hell? I'm not going over there. Oh, already? Oh, type R resting.
Oh. Oh, yeah. You didn't give me an introduction.
Oh, what's going on now? Taking a picture?
Yeah, I just need to, you can check on. I need to go over it.
Everybody, let's go over here.
Oh shit, field trip. Alright, the count of 3, we jump, ready? Oh shit, I can't do that shit. You are wildin' right now. I can't do that shit. I'm gonna see how far I can throw this rock.
Want to record? Hold on. My bad. All right, I got you, my boy.
Ah, shit hurts. Do it again, let me see. How you gonna pose? Hey, yo! OnlyFans.
OnlyFans, bro.
Oh, God. We're about to start our OnlyFans. Just ended the cruise. We're gonna actually go get some food, so I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. But not gonna lie to you guys, like the car feels pretty solid. I do have to raise it up because obviously I am revving. But if you guys want to see me go to the track, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. I know the beginning half was a little spotty, but yes, because obviously we're all on a cruise here. So now we're gonna go get some food. But if you guys are down for a track vlog or track video, let me know. I'm down to take this thing tracking. Obviously I'll have to raise the car, fix my alignment, you know, bring camber out, and then get smaller tires in the front because I am still rocking 315s on the front, so too big. But now we're gonna go get some food and it's gonna be lit. We're gonna watch, I bet you. Oh my god, turn radius, terrible. Hey, fucking drive it like. Any louder? Oh, ready to put meat in your mouth?
What was that? Oh, ABGs? What?
Oh, hey, yo! ABG gang. Okay.
Thank you. Guys drive?
I was on cruise control on those corners.
Thank you, Josh, for setting up our event. Yeah, thank you. Had a good time today. Cheers.
Yeah.
Totally jumping it. All good. Send it back. Damn.
Probably the first one.
All right, peer pressure.
Peer pressure.
Peer pressure.
Where's the sword?
Ugh, that shit tastes funny.